Okay everybody, so I've got that down to 6mm, and I'm going to do this pattern here. It's a Sue Mey, scrollsawartist.com. It is actually a pattern for a coat hanger with this deer scene, but I'm not going to do the coat hanger on this occasion. I'm just going to do the main area, and when you print this pattern out it comes in two parts. It's 18 inches long. I've just resized this around 5% smaller just so I can get a nice fit on this piece of apple. Anyway, I won't bore you with this any longer. I'll bring you back when I've got it all off. I've just finished it off now with a coat of Danish oil. I'll put a few coats of that on and then that'll be finished. I'm quite happy the way the live edges turned out. Quite like that natural look. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.